Hello guys, in this video I'm going to review this new generative AI tool which is called as Workhack. Workhack is a free tool which lets you evaluate, quantify and create forms with the help of generative AI. When I say forms, these are just online forms on your websites. How many times you have gone to a website, then you need to fill a form, and then you just say, it's too cumbersome, it's too long, or it's not relevant, and then you simply ditch that website and go to another website or app which has a simpler and more intuitive form. That is what this website is trying to resolve, and I think it's a great idea. Let's get into it and review it. When you go to their website and at the home page, that is actually quite intuitive. You don't have to log in, you don't have to do anything. If you have your own form, you can give its link here and just say roast my form, and it is going to evaluate it and give you the results. Let's check out one of the forms from their samples. And as you can see, they have different forms for different use cases. You can have form for requesting a quotation, customer registration, customer feedback, user persona, and lot of other things. So let's see new customer registration. Click on it and it is analyzing it, and there you go. So it has evaluated your form and it has given the AI summary as what is the score. The score is very low, it is just 1.9 out of 5. And then these are the various components, usability of design, how much you can convert the user in order to actually fill the form. So in this case, for example, the score is 3, and you can read the detail here in conversion form. So it says that your form is like a needy friend asking too many personal questions, lacking any reassuring words, and then boldly asking for more friends. Ease up on the interrogation, offer some comforting success stories, and maybe wait for the second date before asking to meet their friends. Amazing stuff. So not only it has described why it has given this score to you, but also what you need to do, and in a very simple, easy to understand language. And that is the same thing for form intelligence, nudges and incentives as what you need to do, or if you're doing it right or not. For example, you can see that a submit button that's as inviting as a closed door, no incentive, and a glaring absence of trust signals. Amazing stuff. And same is a thing for design usability, where it is telling you that what sort of deficiencies are there in your design. Another cool thing which I like is this, that it also gives you a couple of lines summary that what is wrong and what you need to do. So it says your form is like a cluttered garage sale, so it is cluttered, and what you need to do is you just need to simplify, entice and guide. Okay, and then if you scroll down, this is the real beauty of this tool. It is telling you that with the help of the suggestions they have come up, you can increase the conversion of users by 36.4%. So for example, you need to the way I would approach is that I would go up, I would say what is a score which is very low, because that might be the low hanging fruit. So you see form intelligence is the most low score. So let's go to form intelligence. So what I need to do here, and you can see this is where we can increase it 47.7 percent. So that is the most beneficial change. So in the form intelligence, we need to introduce personalization by pre-filling known information, using name and other stuff by customer. We need to implement AI powered assistants to provide real-time help like tooltip or chatbot even, and then use data enrichment to potentially remove the phone number field so that it will be shorter, because right now we are asking both email address and phone number, which might be redundant. Amazing stuff. So if you look above in these suggestions, you can see that the first item is 11% increase in conversion, this one is 5%, this one is 9.2, and then as I said, this one has a top conversion rate which is 47. So I would go and implement these suggestions first, and then I will reevaluate the score and see how it goes. Of course, we don't have to do it 100%. So that is what this tool does. Now, what if you just want to do it right first time? You can even build your forms with this Workhack. Just click on this build AI, and then you will be presented by these sort of forms. They already have few of the templates, like you can have lead capture, contact, pricing calculator, lot of other things. And another cool thing is that you can even integrate it with your applications, existing ones like CRM system, Salesforce, and a lot of other things. So if you go to forms and then you say, for example, I want to do the contact information. So let's click here. Let me make the screen a bit bigger so that we'll be able to see. Okay, now it's a bit better. And then you can get a tour that what you need to do, like name, drag and drop blocks into the preview area, which is in the middle. And then you can also edit the blocks by clicking here. Very intuitive, nothing really problematic there. And then you can also go with the blog settings here, and then page navigation. That is good by just clicking here. Okay, so if you look here, you can see that on the very right hand side they have these all of settings where you can go with what sort of information you want. You can change it. You can say that, okay, contact us, and then we are going with type classic. You can go with text, or you can go with icon. As you can see here, this is just the arrow button. And then for the design one, you can, this is a font you can select. You can change it, of course. You can go to Roboto, and it changes in real time on the left hand side in the preview area, which is correct. And then you can change it as you like. You can go with this one. A lot of things you can do. You want border or not, you can do the border. And then you can have logic as what will the first page, what happens when they click here, and then company detail or connect. And you can add condition here. You can add rule with and or. So you can make it as complex as possible, which is great. Really like it. Okay, now I'll just collapse it, like just clicking on it, and then it goes back. And look how intuitive the design is. Amazing stuff. And then this is the page which we have created, contact information from for B2B SaaS company. I'll just, you can drag and drop, of course, and I'll just say contact us. And this is the things which we are asking for the user, that first name, last name, email. And then you can even ask this, or you can simply remove this. That's gone. And then you can swipe or click to switch the pages to, if you like. There you go. And then this is these are some things that, okay, once it clicks here, it will go here. And then we can keep going on and on. The whole flow, we can check it out by just simply clicking in it. Okay, once it clicks here, you can connect it, that, okay, who you want to go it with you. And then thank you notes. So this is the whole flow you can go. Now you can also share it. This is a form link you can share online with the public. These are the results. And then this is analytics. It is also calculating it, which is quite good, at how many times it has been viewed, completion, interaction, this is cool, hesitation time, like it. So it can really help you to improve your user interface. And these are the apps you can integrate, and these are the settings which we saw earlier. Amazing stuff. And then, of course, on the right hand side, top right, you could publish it for the world to watch. Anyway, this is it. Really love it. I mean, amazing stuff. There are a lot more things which you can explore on your own. I'll drop the link to this Workhack in video's description. I really loved the tool. I think one of the best tools I have seen in terms of generative AI. not only in terms of the usability but also usefulness, and also the ease of use with which you can create your forms. And if you have any existing forms, as I already showed you, you can improve them right now. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are already using it, or if you have any use case in mind, please share it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.